Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Here basically we are going to talk about one topic that is same basically currencies and how basically currencies are dependent. In this basically we were talking about one topic that was tomato and potato energy. In this we will discuss one topic that is one story kahani. In Hindi basically it is called kahani and story basically it is a English word and Hindi basically that is called kahani. So that basically we are going to discuss now. Assume that there were one small boy. This is connected with potato and tomato energy basically. How basically we are going to see this. There was one small boy basically. He was, we can say, as a child basically. He was having first rank in school basically. But due to some reason basically, few people basically tracked that basically how one poor basically little child basically can become first rank basically. And here basically assume that that boy was basically from Vadodara city. Assume that that was myself only. So one of the Gujarati basically person told that basically how he can basically become first here basically. We local Gujarati basically are supposed to be first, right? How basically he basically can become first? Then basically he told that basically few basically teacher basically told that no this is no actually too bad basically, yeah. This is very bad. Because he's getting first rank holder, he is a basically first rank holder. That means he is the first, no, basically you basically can't take his post basically. Then he told no basically in Gujarat basically only local people basically can have first rank degree. So basically everybody told that, and in this basically he created that type of impression that everybody supported that Gujarati boy. Gujarati means he was basically politician basically. That time he was basically a politician. So he basically he, I don't know how basically he convinced each and every people basically, and slowly basically he was having from first rank basically he got to fail basically. The person basically who was having the first rank, he basically got the designation of fail basically. That time basically he was eating potato and tomato also basically. As him basically. Assume that in that basically school, all teacher also basically supported that Gujarati person. That Gujarati person. Like this basically that boy basically become failed in the school basically. First rank holder basically failed. That time basically he was eating potato and tomato also. That time basically his story basically connected. That time basically assume that basically when he was in school basically, that time assume basically that uh, 35 crore basically, sorry, 35,000 crore basically planets basically was moving near around from the earth planet. They basically captured that story. They captured that story. And few satellite group also captured that story. But the satellite group basically done nothing basically. They have just captured that story. They saw also basically that this person basically was first rank, and entire basically teacher basically become first one, and basically fired that particular boy. And basically he was fired in that manner basically. He was basically not able to get admission in any of the single school basically. Assume that this story is of Vadodara city. Assume this story was of Vadodara city. Like this story basically connected. Now, is anything going to happen? As anything happened basically to Vadodara city, to Gujarat, to India? Has anything happened? Nothing happened. Why? Because it's Kalyug. One of the person basically told it's a Kalyug basically. And in Kalyug basically, who else do bad, they only basically gets good income, good money, that type of thing they only gets basically. Why? Because it's Kalyug. Now basically one of the person basically asked that Gujarati person, why basically he has done this basically? Why basically he actually he was asked from one of the Uttar Pradesh people basically. Uttar Pradesh person basically asked him basically why you had done this here basically. He was not having the first rank holder basically, poor boy basically. See basically he was actually crying basically what no, not basically happened to his life basically. But why you had done this here basically? Then he told that basically हमारा राज है यहाँ गुजरात में, गुजरात में गुजरातियों का राज है, दूसरा कोई नहीं राज कर सकता. Like this basically that person basically told. Just to do Raj, he fired that particular poor child. That also basically he got failed basically. First rank basically got failed basically. This is basically a real story or a fake story basically you only verify. But the thing is basically 35,000 basically captured that story and merged with almost all planets in the universe. But the main thing basically the universe group has done is they have kept earth planet group as a separate. That is the best thing basically they have done. If they have merged the entire planets with the earth planet, then basically all basically planet basically might have got this story. That means 35,000 crore plus that other planets also. 35,000 crore plus other planet also. So this is actually what basically. This is actually that one tomato and that boy basically was eating tomato and potato also. That time basically when he was eating tomato and potato, this type of incidents basically happened in his life, and this was done by one of the Gujarati person, and he told that basically इधर गुजरातियों का राज है. Just basically to do the Raj. And if you go to Maharashtra, then basically the Marathi will tell basically इधर मराठियों का राज है. In the next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.